Alvin again from Priceline Pharmacy, West Brunswick. And today we're going to talk about another common condition that we treat in the pharmacy, which is antifungals nail treatment. So this is a fungus infection of the toenail or the nails on your fingers. Super annoying, but there is a way that we can go about treating it. So let's just take a recap on what happens, the whole deal with a fungal infection on your nails. So basically, we all contain the fungus in our body, and just when the conditions are right, they all come out and play. So the right conditions usually involve moisture. So especially in the feet. So quite often we're standing up all day in shoes and we wear socks that don't breathe as well. And as a result of that, moisture accumulates in our feet and toes. And in that moist environment, this is the environment that the fungus, which everybody has, loves to come out and play. So when the fungus come out, they slowly eat away at your nails. So these fungal infections are super annoying. They cause like a brown and yellow discoloration, which signifies that you have fungal condition of the nail. If left untreated, it will slowly eat away at your nail and it can prove to be very, very painful. And the worst case scenario, if you don't treat it, you may lose that nail, unfortunately. But please make sure you come in and speak to us because we can always help prevent going down that path. There are a fair few treatment options in terms of treating fungal infections of the nail. A lot of them involve using an antifungal liquid or a liquid of a similar type, which you paint onto the nail. Depending on the preparation that we use, you can use a twice daily treatment or one that you use once or twice a week. Some of the treatments involves filing of the nail, which promotes growth of the new nail. And some of the treatments don't have a filing. You don't need to file them at all. The thing with all these treatments is you get the fungal infection really quickly, but annoyingly so, they do take about 6 to 8 months before they start to clear away. So this is the common misconception that we would like to point out to patients is that you need to stick with it. A lot of people use these antifungal products for a couple of weeks or even months and it doesn't go away. But just remember, it does take about 6 to 8 months worth of treatment to go away. So while we're treating this, we also want to make sure that it doesn't come back. Depending on what you do for work, if you're up on your feet all day, that's a high percentage culprit in causing the reinfection of your nail. So we can actually use some specific antifungal powder and anti-sweat powder that we can use on your feet and in your socks to help prevent sweating and to ensure that this whole reinfection cycle of your fungal nail, doesn't come back. So as always, please come in and speak to our pharmacist and we will always determine the best product for you based on your medical conditions and the symptoms that you're experiencing. And we will always recommend the best preventative option to make sure that it doesn't come back. As always, if your symptoms persist, please always contact your healthcare professional. And with any of these products, always read the label and use only as directed. So if you have any questions, please make sure that you leave them in the comments section below. And also make sure that you share and like this video. Thank you.